Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an item or any item on Facebook Marketplace. Now, with this one, I just want to kindly remind you that if you're using your tablet, your phone, your laptop, your MacBook, or any other iOS devices, or rather any devices, rather with the one I'm using right now, which is a PC setup with running Windows OS. Please stay in the video if you're using those other gadgets or devices, because this process is literally the same for all across devices, okay? Now let's get started right here. Open up your Facebook, of course. If you're using your tablet or phone, open up the Facebook app, and then simply go to Marketplace. Now this should be the Marketplace landing page. Now, it may differ what you see on my end on what you see on your end, because these are the items on sale on my area, okay? Now, how to create or sell a new item here? You're gonna see on the left side that says create new listing, okay? I'm gonna click on that one, choose a listing type, item for sale, vehicle for sale, home for sale, or rent. Now with this one, I wanna click on an item for sale, and they're gonna give me a preview of what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna get a photo of the item, for example this donut that I just made earlier. Now I'm gonna click it right there, and then type in the title, mini donuts, okay? Now as you can see right there, I think I misspelled donuts right here. Now as you can see, if every time I type here, it goes on the left side preview. For example, sample 1, 2, and 3. This is actually a good setup that you can preview the final output of your listing. And you're gonna put a price, for example, 60 pesos, because this is currency based on my location. You cannot actually edit it. If you edit this one, you need to edit the location of your account. That is another extra step. I'm gonna explain it to another video, okay? Now category, let's just say food right here. Let's just look for food. I think they don't have it right here. Since they don't have it, I'm just gonna select the nearest category with this one. For example, health and beauty. Condition is gonna be used like new, of course. Hair type, that's not applicable. Just click for the items that are applicable, okay? Description, freshly baked. Okay? And with this one, simply click on next right there. If you want to boost listing after publish, you need to pay for it for a few seconds. I think you need to do it for a few seconds and pay for it via card or via Master or Visa card, okay? Now if you want to hide it from friends, you can do so. And then all of your friends won't be able to see this listing. Click on next right there and then click on publish. Simply do that, and then this item will be published on Facebook Marketplace. Now additional info, if you want to list it in all your Facebook groups, just check it. Everything right there. Choose the Facebook groups you want to send this item also, or you want to post this listing, okay? That being said, if you click on publish, you're good to go. And that's how you send or save a listing, or rather sell on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Bye for now.